kind of want to go back a couple, because not everybody's going to know who you are. They're not going to know the MetaFlex gloves unless they have somebody who needs them.
But I'm definitely the first person who quit their day job and has made running a business their full-time, throwing all the eggs in one basket, so to speak. You have to pay so much money. And then when you finally do go to the doctor for something like arthritis, you get told to wear compression gloves and do grip strengthening exercises. And people weren't doing the exercises because it's time consuming and burdensome, and you have to get the spring loaded strengthener and do 15 reps a day. And at that point is when I was brought in and I was like, here's exactly how we're doing it. And then we started doing customer discovery, and I realized that this was a problem my grandmother had. I graduated the same year we established the company, and I had a really great job offer as an engineer. My grandma was getting worse, and I felt like I should have brought this to market. I felt guilty that I didn't bring it to the world. And so I quit my job and brought it to the world.
So as you were building these up and doing everything, what was one of the failures that you came across, or how did you, because you said originally that, if you're not in business, you're not failing.
It's been the most difficult thing that I've done thus far in my life, and but also the most rewarding. But it is constantly failing, and failing forward and failing as fast as you can, because that's one of the great benefits of having a startup or a small business is you're able to change direction really quickly. So, I mean, I quit my job thinking I had this manufacturer in the bag. We had gone back and forth on samples. We had the sizing worked out. I was ready to place an order. I quit my job and I'm like, I'm doing this full time. I've had this on the back burner and I wasn't paying attention to it. Now I'm doing it. And because I didn't understand the FDA medical device establishment. I mean, if you're dealing with any government agencies where you have to get approval from them, you need to do deep research before you quit your job. So it's been just like a journey of self-discovery and trying to do things faster and move as fast as possible and raising more money, constantly pulling in money, because we're at the stage where we're still spending money than more money than we're making every month. And yeah, so I want to try and fail faster, and especially with people, just like being really, not to say brutal, but like it's a business. I liquidated my savings and my 401k and every stock. My savings account is non-existent because whenever I get a little money, I'm putting it right back in. And yeah, don't pay myself very much, but also, it's really important to me that it succeed because I'm not selling some little gadget. Like, this is a medical device that's helping people. And so it's important. I don't know if you've read our reviews on our website, but like it's changing lives actually, which is the reason why it's worth all of the stress. I don't think if I had something that didn't have as big of an impact as this does, that I'd be, doing this, because it sucks. It's difficult. It's fun sometimes, but majorly it's difficult. We are 7 years old now from the day that I established the company when I was a semester away from graduating from Tennessee Tech with my engineering degree. That was July 13th, 2018. And we're 7 years in.